I just missed one. I didn't let him eat it enough. See if we're still on. Yep, we're still on. See my line. There's my pull. I'm trying my best to hook one up real quick.
You need to get better with these YouTube videos. You're supposed to tell them where you're at and turn it on.
I have glass carp legs. Even though I just told me that. I was going to put it in the description, I still am. That one fiddling with him right now. What?
North Carolina.
Yeah, it's in North Carolina. And there's a fish right there, baby. Oh, yeah.
Don't worry about how long it takes.
Where the net at? I left the net over here. When I leave the net laying around. Here, I got it.
Don't drop it.
Who do you think you are, Steven Spielberg?
Yeah, man.
All right, that's fish number 6 for tonight.